Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Amazon Luna on your Chromecast with Google TV so that you can play games for free without buying a console. But before we get into it, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my future content. And with that being said, let's get started. To start, you'll need an Amazon Prime account if you want to game on Luna without any additional costs, and you'll need to turn on developer mode on your Chromecast. First, let's enable developer mode. From the Google TV home screen, go to Settings on the top right side. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to System. Then, select About. Highlight the Android TV OS build option and press the select button on your remote 7 times. After the 7th time, you'll see a message saying, "You are now a developer." Now that developer mode is enabled, we need the downloader app to install Amazon Luna. Go back to the Google TV home screen. Go to the Apps tab. Select the search bar and type in Downloader. Look for the orange icon in the results. Click the Install button and let it download. This app allows you to install apps that aren't available in the Google Play Store. Now, let's install Amazon Luna. Open the downloader app. In the URL field, type bit.ly/Luna 2025. Make sure the L in Luna is capital, otherwise it's going to take you to an entirely different website. Press go and the app will start downloading the Amazon APK. Once the download is complete, a prompt will appear. Select Install. Then, you'll be asked to give permissions to the downloader to install files. Go ahead and turn on those permissions, and Amazon Luna will be added to your device. When prompted to open it, click Done, because we'll have to set up a Bluetooth game controller. If you already have a PS5, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch controller, those are all Bluetooth compatible and should be able to pair with your Chromecast. If you don't have a controller, you can pick one up using the link in my description below. So to pair your controller, go to Settings, Remote and Accessories, choose Pair Accessories. Now, place your controller in pair mode. When your controller is discovered, go ahead and select it to pair it. You should now be able to navigate around your Chromecast with your game controller. After you've paired your Bluetooth controller, open the Amazon Luna app. Now, sign in with your Amazon account by using your phone to scan the QR code on the screen. When you're prompted, enter the code into your phone that's presented on the screen. And just like that, you're ready to dive into Amazon Luna's game library and start gaming with no console needed. Any games under the Amazon Prime tab are completely free. But if you want a wider range of games, then you can choose to subscribe to Luna's Plus catalog or the Ubisoft catalog. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Amazon Luna on Google Chromecast with Google TV. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.